Hey everyone, welcome back to Cells to Cell. My name is Heem, this is Nick, and we're doing another Trivia Tuesday.
Yeah.
Nick found this week's quiz, so why don't you just tell us what it is?
Yeah, so it's a free anatomy quiz. This website has like a bunch of quizzes on it, so I chose the harder physiology quiz for us. Because honestly, I know that the quiz last week, Heem and I did like pretty well on, and like there were some okay tough questions, but we need to kind of ramp it up a little bit. So Heem's going to take the first 10 questions, I'm going to take the second 10 questions, and then we're going to compare how we do. So let's not waffle anymore. Let's just get it ready. So you got the first 10. I'm not helping you this week. I'm not helping you this week.
Nick, please!
No, I'm not helping you.
Alright guys, question 1. Physiology is like so specific. Alright, which of these vessels carries deoxygenated blood from the heart? Pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, the aorta. Which of these vessels carries deoxygenated blood from the heart? So that means it's going to the lungs. So the pulmonary vein is 2, artery is going away. So I think it's artery, the pulmonary artery. Oh, it doesn't say if I'm right or wrong?
Ooh. All right, we'll have to check at the end.
We'll have to check at the end. Whatever.
So suspense. Some suspense.
Question 2. Where does the right ventricle in the heart pump blood to? So your right ventricle pumps blood to your right, the left ventricle. Yeah. Yep. From the right ventricle to your left ventricle goes to your pulmonary artery. I think, dude.
This is tough.
Oh, okay. If you get it right, it doesn't say anything. If you get it wrong, it tells you.
Okay.
So that 2 is wrong. So the right ventricle in the heart pumps blood to the lungs. So this is my right ventricle on the left side. I forgot how
No, because you gotta think of the 4 chambers. It like goes in to the. What is the
atrium, right?
Yeah, the right atrium, down into the right ventricle, and then it goes through the pulmonary. I think it's a vein. Yeah, it's a vein. It's the only vein that goes away from the heart because that blood's still deoxygenated, and then it goes to the lungs.
Yeah.
Picks up oxygen.
Comes
and
back.
Then goes to the right. What is it?
Atrium.
Right atrium down to the left ventricle, and then through the aorta.
So is the right and left your perspective or the humans?
No, it's like right, left.
Oh, okay.
All right, next question.
Gosh. Question 3.
1 for 2.
Which of the following is not transported in plasma? Electrolytes, urea, bile? I'm going to say bile.
Yeah.
I think bile. That's right. Bile is done through lymphatic system.
Yeah.
I think. All right, question 4. Name the contractions that push food through the esophagus. Peristalsis. I love peristalsis.
It's awesome.
I'll die without peristalsis.
Yeah, you would.
All of us would. Question 5. What type of acid is found in the stomach? Sulfuric, nitric, hydrochloric. Sulfuric acid.
I'm not helping,
Wait,
man.
Is it? Ah! No! Nitric acid. Nitric acid, sulfuric acid sounds scary. So no. Hydrochloric acid also sounds scary. So I'm going to say nitric acid.
You're wrong. It's
No.
HCl.
It's hydrochloric acid?
It's HCl.
That's in the...
The pH of the stomach is like 2.
I know. That's bad.
All right.
Question 6.
What, you're...
2 for 4.
You're 2 for 4?
2 and 4. Or 2 right.
No.
4 right, 2 wrong.
Okay.
Yeah. Question 6. Where's bile made? Gallbladder. Not the liver, not the pancreas, the gallbladder. Oh my god, bile's made in the liver. Wait.
It's stored in the gallbladder.
It's stored in the gallbladder.
You need to do some more anatomy.
Dude, that's so
We
embarrassing.
talk about all these different microenvironments for organs, but we don't even know what organs do what.
This is embarrassing.
It's
Whatever.
okay.
Question 7. What are steroid hormones made out of? Minerals, lipids, proteins. Hormones or proteins? Minerals, lipids, or proteins, dude. It has to be protein. Steroid hormones are made out of lipids?
Yeah, they're fat soluble. They don't have to go through a transport to get into or out of cells. They can just, they're like ghosts, like Casper the Ghost.
Dude, this is so embarrassing. What kind of hormone is estrogen? Monoamine, steroid hormone, neurotransmitter. Steroid hormone. Yeah. Yes. Oh god, question 9. What type of cell provides the physical barrier of the skin? Adipocytes, keratinocytes, melanocytes? Physical barrier of the skin? Isn't keratin your nails or something? So I'm gonna say adipocyte. What's a melanocyte?
I'm not helping you.
I don't know what a melanocyte is.
Think about cancers of the skin.
Melanoma. But a melanocyte. Okay. No, it's wrong. The physical barrier of the skin is
Keratinocyte.
provided by the keratinocyte. Dude, this is
That's a
awful.
trick question.
Question 10. What is the basic functional role of the cerebellum? Autonomic functions, motor activity, sensory activity. I think
I'm helpless for this one.
cerebellum. I'm gonna say the motor activity. Yes.
Alright, how many did you get right? 5? 6?
I'm pretty sure I just got a 50% on that.
Okay.
That was awful. Nick is gonna do questions 11 through 20. Best of luck, broad.
Yeah.
Brother.
I'm glad I picked the hard one though because some of our quizzes have just been too easy. We need to challenge ourselves. You're not gonna learn if you do all the easy stuff.
Yeah, dude.
All right. Question number 11. Where does fertilization occur? Is it in the oviduct, in the uterus, or in the vagina? The uterus.
Wrong.
What the hell's an oviduct?
Avida.
All right, here we go. Here we go. We're in for a ride. We're in for a ride.
0 for 1.
All right, 0 for 1. Next question.
Oh my god.
How many chromosomes are in a haploid cell? Oh my gosh. It's 23. It's 46, 42, or 23. It's 23. Next. Yeah, I got that one right.
Nice.
Okay. Question 13. Sex cells are examples of what types of cell? They are either haploid cells, diploid cells, or embryonic cells, and they're haploid cells. They have half the complement of the DNA. That is correct. When does ovulation occur? Jeez. After the after the luteal stage or phase, after the follicular phase, or before the follicular phase. It'd be awesome if I knew what the follicular phase was. I'm going to go with before the follicular phase. No, it's after the follicular phase. Great. So I think I have 2 wrong and 2 right. Okay, next question. Contraction of the diaphragm causes which action to take place? Is it peristalsis, inspiration, or expiration? So contraction. Inhalation. Inspiration.
I think it's actually expiration.
Nope, I was right.
It's inhalation?
Yeah, I was.
Contraction of the diaphragm?
Yeah, think about when you contract, you make it smaller. So, like, I'm contracting my bicep. So, if I suck in, my diaphragm shrinks down and lets my lungs expand. And then it will relax and expand.
Oh,
as
so
it pushes out.
inspiration. Yeah.
Okay. Do your breathing exercises. Question 16. Which compound in the blood carries oxygen around the body? That is hemoglobin. I'm not even going to read. Fibrin or collagen?
Never.
Silly. Okay. The scalene muscles are necessary muscles to do which action? Inspiration, expiration, or vomiting? Ooh, this is an interesting question because I don't remember what the scalene muscles are. I'm assuming that they have to do something with the throat. This is going to be a guess. Scalene muscles.
That sounds like a back muscle, to be honest. A scale.
Yeah.
Like scaling.
I'm going to go with expiration. No, the scalene muscles are necessary muscles for inspiration. I guess that that helps expand your chest cavity. I don't know. That's a tough one. That's a good question. All right. Question number 18. What type of condition is asthma? Is it a vascular condition, an obstructive condition, or a restrictive condition?
What were the options?
Vascular, obstructive, or restrictive. And I'm between vascular and restrictive. Because, no, it's restrictive. I think it's vascular would mean it would have to do something with like the veins and stuff, but I think because it is like an autoimmune reaction, the cells make the windpipe swell up and you can't breathe, so it restricts your breathing. I was wrong. It's an obstructive condition. But wouldn't the obstruction make it restrictive? I don't know.
We don't know.
That's technicality. Ooh, I just got 2. All right. Antidiuretic hormone is produced by what? The pancreas, the pituitary gland, or the adrenal glands? That is the adrenal glands. No, it's the pituitary. Am I silly? I could have sworn that it was the adrenal glands. I think I have to get this question correct to tie you.
No way.
Because I just got 3 in a row wrong.
and then 2 wrong in the beginning.
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh, God.
Which blood vessels supply the kidneys with blood? The renal arteries, the renal veins, or the vena cava? Okay, this is a layup. The renal arteries. We scored a combined 10 out of 20 on that quiz.
Dude,
that was rough. And there's another quiz after this one. So if you like watching us suffer, please let us know and we'll take the next one too. Wow, that was hard.
That was all thanks to this guy, Nick.
I thought it would be fun to actually have a challenging quiz.
No, you're right. We definitely got to up our physiology game.
Yes.
This was horrible.
Yeah, I'm just checking to see like if it would show us like all of the questions and answers, but it does not. So, well, that was good. That was good, like brain food. We needed that. We've done so well on some of our quizzes. We need to be knocked down a pedestal and be like, hey, you're not that smart.
Yeah.
So, all right. Well, we're gonna keep reading papers and prepare. I think the next episode you guys will see, episode 10, I believe, will be on CAR T cells and CAR T therapy, which is going to be really interesting. It's going to be some fun immunology, and like our goal is, and like our mission statement says, we want to bring this new science to you guys, but we're going to keep it manageable. We're not going to bore you with all the nuts and bolts. We just want to go over a general overview of the topics and just kind of share some information to get some people thinking and seeing what's coming out. Let's see what's coming out in regenerative medicine and stuff. So, all right, do you have anything else for this episode?
That's all for me.
Perfect. All right, well, this has been Cells to Cell. Thanks for watching. I'm Nick and that team. See you in the next one.
See you guys.